Today I would like to give an introduction to our maintenance apparatus analytics. We have developed several basic charts to present your data, which we review now. We'll start here with these three buttons. We can download and print any of these charts. We can share these charts, and we'll review the charts within a large screen. So this is your basic vehicle repair frequency chart. We list the apparatus and the number of repairs for that particular vehicle. This chart is a little different because we listed the number of work orders, our closed work orders. And that's because some stations, when a apparatus comes in for service, has more than one work order associated with it. So ambulance 1 here, which has 20 work orders, may only have been in for repairs half of that, or 10 times. So another piece of information that might be valuable is the average repair hours. So this is the same chart where we list the apparatus and the number of times it's in for repairs, but we also list the average time that it was in for repairs. So Rescue 2 had 2 repair incidences, and it averaged 2.9 hours out of service for those 2 repairs. Ladder 1 had 8 repair incidences, and it was out on average 7.3 hours. So the other thing of interest is the cost for the repairs for these vehicles. So this chart sums up the total cost for each apparatus over the year. You can see Ladder 1 had almost $20,000 worth of repairs. But another way of looking at this information is the percent. And this is, we can look at the percent of the cost over your total budget. So if you have $50,000 for repair costs, you can see that Ladder 1 took up 49% of that budget. And this is, you can monitor this going forward over the years to see how good or reliable every apparatus is. So another thing that's of interest, or piece of data that may be of interest, is for all these repairs, how long is the apparatus actually down for the year? So you can see in this one, this is the total, the sum of the days for these apparatus that were in for repairs. So you can hover over any of these legends and see this is the 220 data, this is the 219 data. So you can see that some of these are in apparatus were in one, 2, or 3 days, but at the upper end up here you can see C36 was in 45 days for 2019, but only in 2020 only 1 day. So this ends our basic chart series. I thank you for your time, and if there's any questions, please contact StationSMARTS.